Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make popsicle molds at home. First, let's gather some common household items. You can use small paper or plastic cups, ice cube trays, or even mini baking tins as your molds. Don't forget wooden popsicle sticks and a roll of aluminum foil. For your delicious filling, consider fruit juice, yogurt, or a smooth fruit puree. These simple supplies are all you need to get started on your frozen treats. Now that you have your supplies, it's time to prepare your molds. Fill each cup or section about 3/4 full with your chosen liquid. Remember, liquids expand when they freeze, so leaving about 1/4 inch of space at the top is important. Next, cover each opening tightly with a small square of aluminum foil. This foil will help hold your popsicle stick upright as it freezes, ensuring a perfectly straight handle for your treat. With your molds filled and sticks in place, it's time for the freezing process. Carefully transfer your molds to the freezer, ensuring they sit on a flat surface to prevent spills. Let them freeze for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or ideally, overnight, until they are completely solid. When you're ready to enjoy, simply run the bottom and sides of your mold under warm water for a few seconds. This helps loosen the popsicle for easy removal. There you have it. Delicious, homemade popsicles made with items you likely already have. These are fantastic for hot days and offer endless flavor possibilities, from sweet fruit blends to creamy yogurt creations. You control the ingredients, making them a healthier option too. So go ahead, get creative, and enjoy your personalized frozen treats. And for more great finds, including that amazing sock deal, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.